Welcome to the future of user interface evolution with Aliter QAD Adaptive Capabilities. Today, we are thrilled to showcase the extensive features that empower users to tailor their experience seamlessly. With Aliter QAD Adaptive UI, you have the power to design custom forms that align perfectly with your business needs. Create intuitive data entry points and enhance user experience like never before. Unlock the potential of your data by crafting bespoke reports tailored to your organization's unique requirements. Aliter QAD Adaptive UI puts you in control, allowing you to visualize and interpret data in real time. Flexibility is at the core of Aliter QAD Adaptive UI. Design custom modules with ease, incorporating any form element your business demands. Our validation tools ensure data accuracy and reliability. Your business, your dashboard. Aliter QAD Adaptive UI empowers you to create personalized dashboards that matter to you. Tailor layouts, arrange widgets, and gain insights at a glance. Connect seamlessly with Power BI and elevate your analytics game. Aliter QAD Adaptive UI ensures a smooth integration for your custom dashboards, bringing Power BI's robust capabilities right to your fingertips. Experience the next level of connectivity with third-party integrations. Aliter QAD Adaptive UI facilitates effortless data exchange through API calls, ensuring your systems work together seamlessly. Aliter QAD Adaptive UI, where customization meets capability. Elevate your user interface experience, unlock new possibilities, and transform the way you interact with your business data.